Hey, welcome back to another YouTube video on my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I got some top tier content for you today. That's what I do to warm up. This is the second video this week and the third one in the last 2 weeks that I'm doing on this particular product. You guys seem to be very fascinated with all the different products from the company Control. Meal replacements is the name of the game. We are gamers. We forget to eat sometimes. And Control has given us all of these different tasty products to help out with that problem. You've been grinding too hard, don't have time for breakfast today? Make some cinnamon toast. You don't like cinnamon toast? That's weird, but that's fine. You can have some Cocoa Crunch. Perhaps you would want birthday cake. I have birthday cake for you. In today's video, Control has sent me a box to open up, show you guys the content. You guys at Control just released a brand new flavor of their meal replacement called the birthday cake. Who doesn't love birthday cake? You eat it when it's your birthday. You eat cake to celebrate things. You eat cake when you're really tired and you're at your lowest and you want to just wallow in your own self-pity. I'm really excited for this flavor. I'm fine. In the last couple of videos we've done on these products, we actually haven't had any unboxing, which I know for some of you, that's your favorite part of these videos. All the different weird unboxing tools that we use. Don't worry, it's back today. I want to say a huge shout out to Control for sending me this product. At the current time of this recording, I am in no way, shape, or form affiliated with this group. I'm not partnered or sponsored. They just think I'm really cute, so they send me things and say, hey, review this. So we're gonna open this up, mix everything together. I'm gonna taste it for you guys, rate it 1 out of 10, and let you know if this is something you should be picking up as well. One more thing. Can you look down there? No, lower. If you look low enough, you'll notice that my subscriber count isn't at 50,000 yet. I don't know what the frick you're doing watching this video for free. Who do you think you are? You have to subscribe if you want to. We are really close to 50,000 subscribers. I would love to have you guys a part of the family. So if you want to subscribe today and join the family, feel more than free to do so. And if you don't, jail. Now it is time for your favorite part of this video called Guess That Item I'm about to open the box with. Doing that text on the screen every single one of these videos is exhausting. Please leave a like. If this is your first time watching, the name of the game is simple. I'm gonna give you guys 3 options for what I'm gonna open the box with. You're gonna see the options and comment down below which you think I will actually open the box with. Wow, so simple. So today we have 3 really cool unique options. Will we be opening this box today with A, this crocodile head? I think this is a crocodile. Is this an alligator? Not sure. Will it be B, my Dragon Balls I've collected, or is it C, a fanny pack for my latest merch collection, the Simp collection? Link in the description down below. May the odds forever be in your favor. You have exactly 5 seconds to guess the correct item. Put it in the comment section down below. Ready, set, go. Been 5 seconds. I didn't want to have to do this, but I've had these Dragon Balls for a while. If you guessed B, you were correct. We're gonna be opening this box with one wish we get from all of these Dragon Balls. I want to use a wish on opening this box. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think I did it. Box is open. The wish has been complete. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I got a whole bunch of stuff to look at. Made it come wrapped up in this nice gift wrapping paper. It's just like Christmas. Oh, I forgot they're gonna send me this. This is their brand new breast cancer awareness shaker cup. First things first, take a look at that. Awesome pink color all the way throughout. I really like this design. Right alongside that, here we go. We got a big bag of this stuff today. This is Control's brand new birthday cake flavor. We got the big boy bag this time. And they also included these cool little stickers with it. So this bad boy has all the flavor inside of it. Again, I said this before in previous videos I've done on the products. I kind of covered everything about the product itself and the company in the first video I did on this. So I'll link that down below for reference if you guys want to find more stuff out about it. But just a quick overview, this is obviously a meal replacement. It has 23 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber, 22 vitamins and minerals, and 280 calories within water. A little bit more with inside of milk. I've liked the other 3 flavors I've had so far. My favorite of everything I tried being the cinnamon toast, but from the very few reviews I've seen on this, a lot of people are saying that this is one of their top competing flavors. I think I'm supposed to get 2 scoops full and put that inside of the pink shaker we have, but let's see what it smells like right off the bat. Has a very strong initial like vanilla smell to it, and if you actually look inside of the bag here, you can see all of the different sprinkles in the powder itself. So I think that's what we're gonna be expecting, like a bunch of sprinkles in our mouth. Let's go ahead and add our almond milk to this cup. Glug, 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 glug. I wish that companies like G Fuel and Control would just have like a little clip for the top of the bag or the tub, just so it would be easier to get this in the cup. Here is 1 full scoop. I think we do 2 full scoops of this. Put this in here. There we go. The last little bit like that. So if you look inside of there, look at the sprinkles sitting on the top of that. This is gonna be really good. Make sure we got everything on tightly and securely. All we gotta do now is shake. And done. Got all mixed up here. Let's give it a good old pop, see how it sounds. These cups are not meant for popping, but it smells good. It smells straight up just like vanilla. If you've ever smelt vanilla muscle milk, it smells very similar to that. I can see the chunks of the sprinkles on the inside. Is there like cake pieces in there too? I don't know. We gotta try it out. I'll let you guys know what I think. Time for my honest, unbiased opinion. Let's go ahead and cheers together. Thank you so much. And let's go ahead and try it out. In 3, 2, 1. Wow, that's cool. There's actual chunks of like cakey pieces. That's wild, dude. It has such a strong vanilla flavor to it, and it's just loaded with chunks of sprinkles and cake pieces. This is a literal liquid cake. Very, 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 very sweet. So I think that's okay because, I mean, cakes are sweet. It feels like a full experience because, you know, when you like have a cake with icing on it too, there's an extra level of sweetness that's left behind, at least for me. It tastes like there was a coating of vanilla frosting on it, and that like taste is left behind. So you're getting all these different chunks of cake and sprinkles, and when you swallow it, that sweetness kind of stays behind to make you feel like you just had super sweet icing. That is a super cool experience. It makes me think of this place I've heard of in like LA and Chicago called Portillo's. They take an actual piece of chocolate cake and they put it into a milkshake. I've never had it, but I would imagine it would taste like something like this if it were vanilla. Feels like someone took a whole piece of cake and put it in with some ice cream and some milk and just mixed it up until it was very smooth and drinkable. This is by far, hands down, I've been sitting here, I'm like halfway through the cup. I think this is better than the cinnamon toast. It feels like it has a couple different elements to it. It has the sweetness of the sprinkles, it has the chew of the actual cake pieces, and the whole thing is kind of carried by this very strong vanilla flavor. So who will really like this? People that are into very cakey and sweet things for sure. If you're a fan of vanilla, I would say this is for you. And I personally enjoy it. This is definitely the most dessert-like flavor they've released. And in my opinion, I think this is the absolute tastiest too. This definitely is filling, but I don't think I'm like extremely like exhausted or bloated afterward. It's just simply pretty filling, if that makes sense. If there's like a scale, not filling whatsoever and like bloated, it's right here. It's like, it's pretty filling. I think overall, this gets a solid 10 out of 10 for me. I really like the sweetness level of this. And I think by a long shot, this is better than any other flavor I've had from Control yet. And I really like the cinnamon toast. I remember really enjoying the cinnamon toast, but I don't remember it knocking my socks off. Like this flavor, when I first tasted it, was like, okay, very good job, Control. This is actually really good. I would recommend to anybody. I don't know if they have like sample packs of this flavor yet. They do have the big bags. I think it's worth it if you like vanilla, if you like cakey things. Massive shout out to Control again for sending me this flavor. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I would love to talk to you more about what you think about this, what your favorite flavor is from Control. And yeah, that pretty much concludes the series we have going on, the Control products. If they release any other flavors in the future, I definitely will cover on the channel. But thank you guys for watching the series we've done so far. I have a ton of other really cool videos coming soon, so make sure you guys are subscribed with notifications on. That is just about everything for me. Have a fantastic weekend ahead, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did and you don't mind doing so, go ahead and drop a sub-like. That's a subscribe, a like, and a comment, and I will see you in the next video.